I'm honored to be one of the winners of the inaugural Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Research Award. Good research never happens in a vacuum, so I'm especially grateful to my family, to our broader community, and to so many folks at SVSU, from leaders like Dr. Mamie Thorns to the students I work with every day. They all consistently remind me that to be a good teacher, you have to keep learning, celebrating difference, and making connections. In that spirit, I'm humbled by the amazing people I study. 19th century freedom fighters who used print to advance civil rights and build communities, from Frances Ellen Watkins Harper to Frederick Douglass, and from Daniel Payne to Edmonia Goodell Highgate. I'm especially thankful for the chance to teach our students about these powerful voices. Each time we remember them, we have a chance to better understand our past and to shape our collective future. Thank you.